Welcome to DOREEN'S African Experiences by Nag. Guys, I had just finished making an introductory video, and after making it I went back to YouTube to find out if one of the reasons why I was very upset has been rectified, or I proceed to post. So basically this video was about Go Black and one of his most recent videos, because he's in my country. And yes, we're very happy to have you here, you know, because for every person that has a platform that comes to any country, they provide a certain type of awareness, you know. The biggest percentage of us is we're just growing, you know. And now I'm so glad I didn't rush to post my video, because then I would have been very ashamed of myself. Look, I have a little bit, how do I put this? It's not a little bit, I have a great deal more respect for Go Black. He's a YouTuber, Go Black to Africa. He basically travels around different African countries trying to portray a certain image, you know. So my goodness. And that being said, I don't have much to say. I'm just gonna get into the video, guys. So basically this video is about stencil art, but in metal fabrication, you know. Let me give you an example. Look at this. Do you see these? Those are burglars, right? Now basically what do stencils do? What is the idea of this company? The idea of this company is basically modifying and beautifying your house, your balconies, your stairways, you know, anything that you can think of that requires metal. So they are basically trying to beautify and modify all this into designs, right? And yet stronger, because if you look at this, these are hollow pipes, right? But these stencils are solid steel all the way, you know, not hollow. These things are heavy as well. So I'll have you know, I'm definitely putting up this video because I'm quite interested. It's a new concept in Uganda, but it's been there for years in some countries. Yeah, sorry. All right, so guys, yeah, let's get into the video. Let's try and watch it. I hope we appreciate the video. And to Go Black, it's good to know that you're a man of integrity. It's actually refreshing to know, you know, because we watch all these YouTubers, but it's rare for most people to accept when they've done something that, well, not accept, but at least try to do something about it. So thanks for adjusting the title, you know. I will not go into details with that because now it's pointless, because the video itself is very good. It's just the title that was taken away from my country. Anyway, and I urge you guys, yeah, when you see something, you know, especially on the internet, because the internet never forgets, and the narratives we're creating on the internet, even 5-year-olds now have smartphones, they have gadgets and everything. So when they see these things, we do not want to continue keeping our African children, our people that's been away from Africa for so long in that mindset, or people that's been here in that mindset. We need to change the narrative. We have no choice but to, because it's been going on for generations where everyone is telling you, oh, Africa is the poorest, oh, this country is this is not, all this bad press, it's not necessary anymore. Let's try to look for the beauty in every little aspect of things, because even the people that you see as poor are working so damn hard to maintain that poor lifestyle that you think is poor. So it's not, let's not take away from people's hard work. Let's just keep it simple. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you pick something out of the video, and I hope it makes a lot of things more clear, because we're moving up in construction, and every single day something new comes up. You don't want to be left behind at any point, you know. Oh my god. Kindly subscribe, like and share, and I am so proud to be myself. I'll continue to be who I am. I'm the type of person that's always gonna speak my mind. You know, I don't kiss nobody's ass, if that's the right statement. I'm not a kisser. I will tell you how I feel. I'll speak loudly until you hear me. And sometimes I assess things not just of everything, but sometimes I compare notes, you know. And for people that's coming to Africa making documentaries about any country, I urge you, look for the positives in those countries, because you should know these people were not where they are 5 or 10 years ago. You know, this is the Pearl of Africa. There is so much beauty in this country. I'm serious. I don't even want to dare compare certain African countries to Uganda, but there is so much to see in Uganda. You know, and YouTubers that's Ugandan, before you start here traveling to any stuff, travel your country first, move around, go district by district, place by place. There is so much in this country. Even me, you know, I'm doing it right now. I'm going different places, and even there's some sounds you don't even hear anymore. Have you heard the sound of wind against big trees and small leaves? It's unique. I'm telling you, I don't get it, but I'm just saying, Uganda is endowed with so much. I'm serious. It's crazy. But Uganda is very beautiful. Anyway, that was me, guys. Subscribe, like, and share, and thank you. Alright, so we have a bunch of questions. How some machines work. This place is so loud. Alright, so do you see these things? These are designs of plasma screens. Look at that. Look at all the beauty. You see, these things are designed by specific machines, and they are very good to have for balconies, for all kinds of designs. For people that's actually trying to build, this is nice. This is very, very nice. So basically today I speak on behalf of a company that actually makes these things, and I'm gonna give you a tour of this place. You know, you see how different metal is made. You see how some of these things come into existence. I believe you've seen this, and you probably know what they do. You know what their use is. So I'm gonna show you how this comes to existence, and then I give you the location of all this stuff, all this kind of metal. It's not a dangerous place. It's actually quite nice, you know. Oh, look at this. See? Look at that. So you can basically come up with your own design, and then you have somebody fabricate this for you. It is very strong, and welders can actually do this. So you need specific machines to do this, and then I'm gonna show you how these machines actually make this happen. Let's go to our machines.
Yeah.
Company yammwe.
I think what you bought.
Anti byammwe. Oh, jagala kulaba ebyuma byammwe ebikola. Bangamye buno bino be bakolamu emigongo gya box body.
Kati eno tebo bakolerako migaati.
Oh. Nkaguzito.
Ekyano otambuza enzigi zino lwasikola naggalawo.
Nice. Guys, basically, you've seen those big trucks that are built. This is where they make their metal from. So they fabricate the metal from there. Ono meto mumukola muki?
Haliwo?
Bino. Babikola muki?
Bakola n'oseera lino nga olaba lino.
Ne babisoma.
Ne babizaayo bakola mu baatiri. Igera abasukulapu baba batisse. Namutaano sanera ngakolamu amabaafu.
Kwewuunyisa.
Bakuteereko?
Tebinsala nanti.
Olaba.
Jebale. Zije. Kino kisala.
Sala yena. Nakiweta.
Okolamu guli omugongo we guti.
Sala kiweta kino kisala. Sala liwo
Ate emitayimbwa kyamugikola? Fesaboard. Ezekyuma. Why?
Nakolamu fulemu y'oluggi bwati.
Okay.
Oluggi lw'emmaaso olaba noluba lunyirira ennyo.
Okay, aluminium ye bamukolerawo.
Basigamu gya nakasero. Oluba lwa bbeeyi nnyo.
Okay. Wow. Interesting.
Anyway, kamalize kano tumusalire kubanga agambye mukubire ekifaananyi kumulaga omulimu egutuuse kati katumusalire etagawo ws okay kamala osalirawo nowebaaji
oyo akulira nyawo
computer wizard nawo betwagala twagala abantu ebikiiba
Alright, so I'm gonna walk you through different designs that's right now being worked upon in order. You see that? So you've been seeing some of these things And you've seen people that's constructing in flats using them, you know, for their balconies, for their staircases. You know, you can pretty much use them for a lot of stuff. Even in construction painting, you can use them. This is a very, very good business, and it's very stable, and I'm currently representing it, and we're looking for clients to buy from us and support us. Okay? And this is a plasma screen cutter machine. It cuts the designs and nginateka namba zesimu. Ayenze video zange wenzikola sikyala kuteekamu face z'abantu nteekamu bye bakola. I almost forgot to tell you that these guys also sell spares for agriculture tools, like digging machines, tractors, name it, anything that you can think of. I'm yet to go to their store for that, you know. So guys, welcome to DOREEN'S African Experiences, and this right here is the CEO of Monaji Fabricators. It's located in Katwe. And this is his station. So these are some of the different designs that they can do, different ideas that you can come up with your own idea if it's new, and they'll still be in position to do it. Okay, so pretty much anything you want to do, they can do. You choose the gauges you want of the metal and they can still do it for you. Okay, yeah. So yeah, it's quite interesting, you know. This is interesting stuff. It's very interesting stuff. Enjoy the slides and then we proceed to other stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. This is terrazzo, as you can see. That's rebar T16s. Strictly, if you're building a flat, your rebar should be T16s, you know. And I wanted to show you the different types, the other stones that they're using in these pillars and the levels to pour a floor up. Muli mtya obulamu si bubi, enkokoto yasawa meka temumanyi program. Yes, oyagala kamera wesetinze dda. So basically, I've told you different, these are what you'd call coral stones. That's what they call them in Uganda, but these are, how do you say, marble stones. They're a bit tougher. So when you're constructing a flat, you see there are different sizes. You see there is a difference between this and these. You see that? Now, the smaller ones, yeah, are what you put into your concrete to put in the pillars. Do you see those pillars that's going around? These are the ones that you put. Okay? And then the bigger ones, they're the ones that go on the floor. The reason you don't put the bigger ones in the pillars is because you need the concrete to be compacted together, tighter, more tight, because the bigger ones leave space between the what? They can easily leave space between the what? The whole thing when you've done it. Okay? And the smaller ones, they hold the concrete a little bit better. Yeah? Alright, so these are steel bars T16s, and these are Y24. That's huge. Metal.